Hi guys, welcome to part 2 of rebuilding this beautiful Can-Am Spyder RT20 Plus. That is from our tour and rental agency. So toursont3.com, so coolest tour and rental agency on the planet. That it's based in Bratislava, Europe. And what you will find out in today's episode, well, actually I'm telling you, first part, if you haven't seen it, MartinTheVlogger.com, just go there, have a look. If you haven't seen it, we are talking about what are MartinTheVlogger standards, what are the parts that makes bikes unique, stand out, more comfy, better handling, more fun. Always putting everything to my bikes for our guests. Springs, we have sway bar. Sequential rocket bright light will go to the front, MartinTheVlogger standard. OX light, cod grill in front, fixing shaky mirrors. Razors, foam grips, we will do a backrest. We have armrests. We'll put the top case, it's there already, for extra bags. And we have a Pro Tail bag. Top case light, we cannot have this in Europe, so of course MartinTheVlogger has it. We will fix this. We will also fix the seat shock. Floorboard lights and passenger lights. Why? Because it looks cool. Smoked Slayer turn lights, because it's a safety feature and it's a cool looking feature. Actually, we will test one light here. So we are in a part of process, and there is one thing I have screwed up big time. So we're gonna fix it. Now guys, I need to install the PedalBox, put the lights and floorboards and everything back together so you can see partially how the Kraken, the name of the bike, will look like. Enough of this bullshit. Let's get started. Why PedalBox? Why PedalBox at tour and rental agency? Actually, why not? I'm MartinTheVlogger. I have done things all the time differently than anybody else in the world. I like you, if you come to me, and many of you that are coming to ride Europe with me, you do own Spyders and Rikers at home, and I want you to feel like at home. So if you have a PedalBox, ride the bike with the PedalBox. My bikes are actually like yours at home, just better. That's the reason why many guests are actually leaving with boxes. Yeah. One thing with the PedalBox in terms of installation, rather I said that with us, the only way how it can create error codes is when you do a pairing wrong. And it is very important. So the thing is, with pairing, when you have it in this, all the time, it needs to go all the way up and all the way down. Does it go all the way up and all the way down? Sometimes it happens that it goes not 3 plus and 3 minus, it goes just -2 and +3. And it's wrong. You need to reboot it and do the installation again. And one last important thing. Hold the button, the big ring, for 5 seconds. Only then you confirm the pairing, and then if you buy it on MartinTheVlogger.com/shop, then it is error code free. Okay, enough of these promos. Let's do the lights. Tired. Moment of truth. Always exciting. Ha! Always nice to see that they work. Oh, that's nice. That's bloody awesome. That's really nice. We have sold many. Of course, rider floorboards, it's very nice, but never saw one. This is actually our first installation on the passenger one. They are badass. Jesus Christ. That's just gorgeous. That's fucking nice. So the story goes on with this upgrade. Sequential Slayer turn lights. This is actually, of course, here. These are just stock. They don't work. They don't work as a daylight. It's just a plastic crap. Now, I love this upgrade. I super love it. This is a smoke version, so this one, and it will fit cracking absolutely beautifully. It has something to do also why it will fit. It has something to do with me fixing things and my mistake. Actually, the fix is in that box. So, and why I do love, I will use this opportunity to tell you why I do love this upgrade. Simply because RT or F3, well actually also Riker, there is no way how to signal from the side that you are turning. There is nothing on the bike. So that's, first of all, super cool looking upgrade. They work as a daylight, they will work as a daylight, and they will work as a turn light. So, extra visibility when you're going from the parking lot, from the side road to the main road, when you are overtaking on the highway, whatever. It gives you extra visibility. It's well worth, I think we're selling it for something like 155, 164 for smoke version. Hell of a good upgrade. So we're gonna do that and a couple more lights. Let's do it. Now the Slayer lights, smoked version, they are in, and let me show you how they look. So on, and we have it as a beautiful, beautiful running lights. And if we hit this, they will work as a sequential turn lights. I mean, it's just absolutely beautiful. And we will be mounting, look who's here. What you doing here?
Fixing the Riker.
Fixing Riker. This is a relaxed video, I can show you. So, Dakar needs some service. Polly needed to remove a couple of plastic things, which for a Riker owner it's about 20 minutes. I'll talk to him tomorrow if he was able to put everything back together. What do you think, Polly? Will he be able to put everything back together? Yeah, I'm not so sure about that, but let's see. Anyway, so they're beautiful. I mean, I love it. One of my very favorite, well, the most favorite upgrades these days. And this is the second in terms of turn light signals, of course, badass, no doubt. Our sequential rocket bright light for RT OX light, and this just came from the factory. So we will be testing this light, and in case you see cha-chink, do you see cha-chink? In case there is a cha-chink, that means the light went through my certification, because we are just testing it. And if it's a nice light, if it's easy to play with, if it's a good quality, in terms of like this, it's all good. So if it's there, it's on our shop. Now, more lights. love these lights, of course. Now they're tiny bit smoked. Perfect match with this piano color, whatever they call it. Now this OX, I already said it a few times. I'm gonna repeat it again. When you remove the plastic cover, which are just 2 bolts, 1 and 1, in North America, you will have a cable in there. It's just plug and play, and you have awesome OX light. Not happening in Europe, not happening in Asia, New Zealand, UK, of course, Australia. So for that, we are using different lights. They have cables, so if you are buying it and you are from North America and you are buying on MartinTheVlogger.com/shop, your #1 place for Can-Am Spyder and Riker parts, you will just use this part. If you are buying it anywhere else, of course, the packaging always comes with extension cable. It's very important because otherwise you fucked. Yeah, kind of, pretty much. So finish this and let me show you the light here. And that's, well, we'll get there. Many things we have done. The middle light is going to look awesome, I believe. So very nice. OX lights there. Of course, this side is not working now because we need to fix it. But you know what, guys? It's enough from today's episode. There is a final one coming, and it's going to be about me fixing a few more things, and of course fixing the major trouble, my mistake that I have told you. Guys, thank you very much for watching. In case you like what I do, subscribe, like, you know, all of these things. In case you like these products and you would like to put them on your Spyder or Riker, MartinTheVlogger.com/shop, your #1 place in the world for Can-Am Spyder and Riker parts. And in case you would like to tour, ride Europe on 3 wheels, maybe also with me, toursonthreecom. There is a contact form, just fill it up and we will get back to you. Guys, thank you very much, and remember, always have fun and come ride Europe on 3 wheels with toursonthreecom.